Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Ram 2500 ST. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in blue streak and I love it. I love this blue color. It looks fantastic. You do have the chrome accenting with the Ram logo on the grille, as well as you got a chrome bumper with your tow hooks right there in case you need to pull anybody out of the ditch. You do have halogen headlights right there, very bright. And coming around the side here we do have 18-inch tires with Goodyear brand Wrangler tires. Oh, sorry, the rims are 18 inches and they look great. Still lots of tread left on them. You'll be good for a while. You do got the 2500 logo there with the Hemi, and you do have heated exterior mirrors right up there. And coming all the way to the back, we do have our box here. It is a 6-foot box. Let's take a look. Open this guy up. It looks fantastic. Tons of room in here. It does have the box liner as well, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you got your panic button up there. Well, let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out here. You got your handle here and another one here. You got lots of storage down here with some additional right there. Lots of room in here. It looks great. Very soft as well. The fabric is really comfortable. You do have the controls of your lights, so you got your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And right up here we do the control over our our high beams and our windshield wipers and our turning signal. In the vehicle now, let's start her up. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now right in the center there, it does also tell us which direction we're facing. It says the temperature outside and how many kilometers. Now we can change that guy up a bit. We can change it to the vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B. You also got your messages, your screen setup, and you can turn the menu off if it was too bright for you. Now that is controlled from right here, as well as you got your voice recognition and your call out button. There we go, that's a little bit easier to see. Horn in the center and your cruise control options on the other side, and your gear shift right here, just like that. And in the center we do have our our touchscreen display here. Looks great. It is a 5-inch touchscreen display. So we have AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in here, as well as you have your media if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, aux cord, or through your USB. Then you also have your compass right up here, your settings and your more, and then you also have your volume up and down with the mute. You have your screen off, your back button, and your browser. And then right down here we do also have the control of our 2-wheel, our 4-wheel lock, and our 4-wheel low. And then in the center here we do have our climate control. I'm going to turn it up a little bit because I am baking. So you got that. You have your push for your circulation, you have your AC, you have the heat and the cold. Then you also have right here where it's going to blow out, plus your defrost. Then right over here we do have our traction control and our tow and haul mode. This guy is a little bit of additional storage just over there. Then you got a plug in here, another one just over here. And in the center you have 3 cup holders with your armrest that doubles as a storage container. You do have some coin holders right here, as well as right over here we have an aux cord and our Bluetooth plug-in. Sorry, not our Bluetooth, our USB plug-in right over there. And then you can lift this guy up right here, and you do have another seat, so it does seat 6 people all together. And right over here we have our dual layer glove box. So we got the top layer and the bottom layer with our owner's manual inside of it. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now you do have the control over the windows right here. You have your handle, another one here, and the same kind of storage. The interior is the same as the front. It looks fantastic, very soft, and it is a crew cab, so you got tons of room back here. You can lift this guy up and you got additional storage just underneath, and you do also have some cup holders right there, and then you have some additional storage right under there, as well as on the other side. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2014 Ram 2500. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.